Subtraction word problems made easy. Math for kids with Lucas.
Hi friends, welcome back to Math Word Problems Made Easy with Lucas. Today, we're going to learn all about subtraction word problems. Don't worry, I'll show you step by step, and you'll get to solve problems right along with me.
What is subtraction in a word problem?
Subtraction means taking away or finding out how many are left. In word problems, we look for clue words like left, how many more, gave away, or difference. Those words tell us it's a subtraction problem.
Example 1. Apples.
Let's try one together. Olivia has 8 apples. She gives 3 apples to her friends. How many apples does Olivia have left? Okay, we start with 8. She gave away 3. So we subtract. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Olivia has 5 apples left.
Clue words practice.
Did you hear the clue word? The problem said left. That's how we knew it was subtraction. Let's keep an ear out for clue words in every problem.
Example 2. Balloons.
Here's another one. James had 10 balloons. Suddenly, 4 balloons flew away. How many balloons does he still have? Yes, 10 minus 4 equals 6. James has 6 balloons left. Here's a tip. In subtraction problems, the number gets smaller because we're taking away. If your answer is bigger than the number you started with, time to check again.
Example 3. Cookies.
Okay, your turn to really try one. Sophia baked 12 cookies. Her family ate 5 cookies. How many cookies are left on the plate? Did you get it? 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. There are 7 cookies left. Yummy!
Practice problem. Books.
Let's do one more together, but this time you'll do most of the work. The library has 15 books. Students borrow 9 books. How many books are still on the shelf? Think carefully. Subtract 9 from 15. Yes, 15 minus 9 is 6. There are 6 books left on the shelf.
Wrap up.
Great work today, friends. Let's review. Subtraction means taking away or finding what's left. Clue words are left, gave away, difference, and how many more. Always check that your answer makes sense. You did an amazing job with subtraction word problems today. Next time, we'll solve mixed word problems. That means sometimes addition, sometimes subtraction. See you then.